electric field intensity near a spherical charge distribution. Spherical charge distribution നമുക്ക് ഫെമിലിയർ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു സാധനമാണ്. ഞാൻ ഇപ്പോൾ മുമ്പൊരിക്കൽ പറഞ്ഞതാണ്. ഇവിടെ കുറേ ചാർജസ് ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കുന്നു, ഒരു വോളിയത്തിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ അതിനെ സ്ഫെറിക്കൽ ചാർജ് ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂഷൻ എന്ന് വിളിക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അതിനെ ഒരു നോൺ കണ്ടക്ടിങ് സ്ഫിയർ ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യുന്ന നിൽക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ എല്ലായിടവും ചാർജ് ഉണ്ട്, അകത്തും പുറത്തും ഒക്കെ ചാർജുള്ള ഒരു നോൺ കണ്ടക്ടിങ് സ്ഫിയർ ആയിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്താലും മതി. ബെറ്റർ വേ ഏതാണ്? സ്ഫെറിക്കൽ ചാർജ് ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂഷൻ എന്നുള്ള വേർഡാണ് കറക്റ്റ്. അപ്പോൾ see, I have a spherical charge distribution full of positive charge, spherical shape. Okay, shall I? See, this is a spherical charge distribution. There are charges on the surface. Okay, there are charges on the surface. There are charges in the interior. Okay, so in the entire volume there are charges. Okay, this is what? Spherical charge distribution. Then its radius is capital R. I want to find the electric field here, outside. So outside, what is the electric field? Actually, we don't want the derivation, we want the equation only. Here, what is a electric field? So this is your point P. The distance is small r. What is the electric field here? Electric field is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by small r square. This is the electric field outside. So keep in mind, you can by heart the equation 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by small r square. Then if point P is on the surface, if point P is here, so on surface, the equation is electric field is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by capital R square. This also you can keep in mind. Then if your point P is in the interior, okay, this distance is r, then in the interior the electric field is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 qr by r cube. Keep in mind, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 qr by r cube. See, you just by heart the equation. See, this is a spherical charge distribution. What is the radius? Capital R. Then I want to find the electric field outside. What is electric field? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by small r square. On the, if your point P is on the surface, what is electric field? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by capital R square. If point P is in the interior, what is electric field? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 qr by r cube. So you just by heart the equations. In the first case, electric field is inversely proportional to r square. Am I right? Then small r or capital R, which is greater? Small r is greater than capital R. Am I right? So denominator greater. So this answer is less. This answer is more. So this is more. This answer is more. This answer is less. Okay. Then what about this? Electric field in the interior is directly proportional to R. Keep in mind, electric field in the interior is directly proportional to R. These are the ideas you keep in mind. You have to keep in mind, in the interior, the electric field is directly proportional to the distance to the point considered. Then electric field on the surface is more, maximum. Electric field outside is inversely proportional to R square. Okay. Then using this, I want to draw a graph. So this is E, this is a small r. So the graph connecting E and R I am going to draw. Okay, this is the center O of that. Okay, then this is the surface point. Then O to R represent, as in the previous case, O to R represent interior. In the interior, electric field is directly proportional to R. E and R are in direct proportion. So up to this, the graph will be a straight line graph like this. Am I right? So here E is directly proportional to R. Then on the surface, the electric field is maximum. Am I right? So the electric field is maximum. Where? On the surface. Okay. Then after that, outside, the electric field is inversely proportional to R square. So the graph connecting E and R will be like this. So here E inversely proportional to R square. Am I right? So this is a graph, very very important graph. So you keep in mind. So I have what? A spherical charge distribution. What is electric field outside? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by small r square. On the surface, what is the equation? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by capital R square. In the interior, what is the equation? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q small r by capital R cube. Then from this, E inversely proportional to R square. Here on the surface, small r is greater than capital R. So this answer less, this answer more. Then in the interior, this is the equation, E directly proportional to R. See, I am plotting a graph between E and R. See, O to R represent center to surface, means in the interior. In the interior, you see, electric field is directly proportional to R. E and R are direct proportion. So graph will be a straight line like this. Then on the surface, the electric field value will be maximum. Am I right? Then after that, outside what is the value? E inversely proportional to R square. So graph will be of this shape. No problem.